Section 1. A new landscape for savers, policy shifts and global tensions. The ground beneath retirement savings is shifting in fundamental ways. A significant policy change, enacted by the previous Trump administration, has opened the door for new types of investments within 401k plans. This rule now permits the inclusion of higher-risk alternative assets, private equity, volatile cryptocurrencies, traditional stocks, and bonds. This change was designed to offer savers access to potentially higher returns. However, it also introduces a level of risk and complexity that many retirement investors have not previously encountered, fundamentally altering long-term savings vehicles for millions of Americans. This policy evolution does not exist in a vacuum. It coincides with a period of significant geopolitical instability. The war with Iran began on February 28, 2026. It has sent shockwaves through the global economy. The conflict immediately impacted critical energy supplies, leading to a sharp and sustained increase in oil prices. This has a direct effect on households. Gas prices have risen considerably from their pre-war levels. For those planning for retirement, these events are not distant headlines. They pressure the stability and purchasing power behind savings. The combination of these developments creates a uniquely challenging environment. Retirement accounts may now be exposed to less predictable assets, while rhetoric escalates risk in real time. One address threatening Iran was followed by about $550 billion in S&P 500 futures losses within minutes. Political words can translate into immediate, tangible losses. Section 2. The trifecta of turmoil. Markets, oil, and inflation. The consequences have been swift and severe. Analysts describe simultaneous pressure on stocks, bonds, and commodities, with a blockade choking a critical energy artery, driving oil up roughly 50% since the war began, to about $109.77 per barrel. It ranks among the most severe energy shocks in modern history, raising production and transport costs across the economy, and pushing consumer prices higher. Gas is up roughly 35% from pre-war levels. Inflation erodes savings, especially for retirees on fixed incomes. With spikes persisting, warnings now include possible growth shocks and even stagflation if escalation continues. Markets have swung violently. Even the president noted he thought the Dow would be down 20%. Overall instability has dominated, with social media posts spiking oil and gas volatility by an estimated 300% early on. The IMF trimmed 2026 growth to about 3.1%, citing the conflict, pressuring earnings, stock prices, and retirement portfolios. Section 3. Hidden dangers. Rule changes brought private equity and crypto into some plans, pitched as return boosters, but laden with risk. They are often illiquid, hard to sell in downturns, carry higher fees and less transparency than plain mutual funds. Advisors may be shielded by a legal safe harbor as they market them. Critics like Dennis Kelleher warn of ticking time bombs in retirement accounts. The conflict's cost has surpassed $200 billion, straining the national budget and shaping policy, rates, and inflation, all of which feed directly into retirement performance. Past record highs coexist with today's sharp swings and headwinds. Meanwhile, suspicious trading around announcements stirs fairness concerns. A $580 million oil bet minutes before a peace announcement, and $950 million before a ceasefire, raising questions about advance knowledge and unfair advantage. It is a perilous environment, risky new assets and plans, the immense economic costs of war, and doubts about a level playing field. The promise of higher returns, private equity, crypto, comes with the risk of catastrophic losses in war-shaken markets. Near retirees are especially vulnerable, with less time to recover. The stability 401ks promised is being tested by policy and conflict. Decisions in Washington and events abroad ripple into household plans. So stay vigilant. Section 4. Protecting your future. Practical steps for savers. In this climate, proactive protection matters more than ever. First, thoroughly review your 401k plan. Contact your plan administrator and ask if alternative assets are now available. Private equity, cryptocurrency. If they are, demand details, fees, liquidity restrictions or lockup periods, and specific risks involved. Knowledge is your first line of defense. Second, reevaluate your asset allocation and recommit to diversification. Avoid complex products promising outsized returns. Favor simple, low-cost, diversified portfolios. Stocks, bonds, the most reliable path to long-term growth for most people. Spread across asset classes and across regions to cushion shocks. Do not concentrate savings in any one speculative asset. Do not chase short-term gains. Build resilience. Aim to preserve capital for retirement. Third, seek unbiased, independent financial advice. Be wary of commissions that create conflicts of interest. Consider a fee-only planner held to a fiduciary duty. Have them explain risks and align strategy with your age, your risk tolerance, and your long-term goals, not trends or toxic products. Finally, stay informed, but avoid panic decisions based on daily headlines. War-driven swings will likely continue. It is essential to have a long-term plan and stick to it, rather than selling in a downturn and locking in losses. Focus on what you can control: your portfolio's composition, your savings rate, and your sources of advice.